for such a graceful and composed speech. Your poise and power truly made us an impact. एक नर्म लेकिन गहरी सोच का एहसास हुआ आपके अल्फाजों में. Let's cheer once again. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए फिर से मिस असबा नईम के लिए. वाकई जो कॉन्फिडेंस दिखना चाहिए इंसान के अंदर वो कॉन्फिडेंस था. शायद ये आज का कॉन्फिडेंस कल का इतिहास और कल का फ्यूचर रचेगा. बिल्कुल मैं इस बात से बिल्कुल पीछे नहीं हटूंगी, क्योंकि ये मैं आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी इस बात के लिए कि अपने बच्चों को इसी तरीके से कॉन्फिडेंट बनाएंगे. क्योंकि जिस दिन बच्चा कॉन्फिडेंट होगा उस दिन वो बच्चा वो हर एक मुश्किल काम कर पाएगा जो शायद हम आप बैठे हुए नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. हम आप इस एज में एक प्रोग्राम में इस प्रोग्राम में बोलना तो दूर, हम पहुंचने के लिए भी कतराया करते थे कि ये एजुकेशनल प्रोग्राम है. आज वही बच्चे नन्हे सितारे आज बोल रहे हैं, तो ये कॉन्फिडेंस की बात है. डेफिनेटली एक दिन ऐसा वक्त आएगा जो हमारे प्रीवियस जनरेशन ने जो स्वप्न देखा था, जो ख्वाब देखा था, जो ड्रीम देखी थी, वो आज पूरी होती हुई नजर आ रही है. हम देख पा रहे हैं हमारे प्रीवियस जनरेशन, डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम, हमारे महात्मा गांधी, फादर ऑफ द नेशन, जिन्होंने ये बात सोची थी, जिन्होंने ये बात को एक ड्रीम देखा था कि हमारा भारत एकजुट होकर के आगे बढ़े, और आज हम देख पा रहे हैं उस चीज को सोफिया कर्नल और व्योमिका के रूप में. हम आज ये सारी चीजें देख पा रहे हैं. वो ड्रीम जो हमारे प्रीवियस जनरेशन ने देखी थी वो आज पूरी हो रही है. तो हमें इस बात का गर्व होना चाहिए कि हम भारतीय हैं. और कहते हैं ना, एक भारतीय नारी हुई सब पे भारी. एक मूवी का बड़ा ही अच्छा डायलॉग था, वाह भारतीय नारी हुई सब पे भारी. आज तो क्योंकि आज हम देख पा रहे हैं, मतलब कहना तो नहीं चाहिए इस बात को, लेकिन आज सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपके घर की लेडीज ही हैं. एक वक्त था जब हम अपने लेडीज को, हम और आप अपने घर की बच्चियों को बाहर निकलने के लिए कतराया करते थे कि बाहर जाओगी बहुत कुछ हो जाएगा, गलत नजर है, आप अपनी नजर संभालो. बच्चियां आपके लिए वो सारी चीजें ला करके देंगी जो एक लड़का नहीं कर सकता, और जो एक लड़का कर सकता है वो एक लड़की भी नहीं कर सकती. तो दोनों को बराबर हक दीजिए, दोनों को बराबर पोटेंशियल दीजिए, दोनों को बराबर सपोर्ट दीजिए. जिस दिन आप बराबर इक्वालिटी आप अपने घर में से करने लगेंगे, पूरा देश इक्वल हो जाएगा. एक बड़े ही अच्छे शख्सियत ने एक बात बोली थी कि अगर आपको वर्ल्ड को चेंज करना है, अगर आपको नेशन को चेंज करना है, तो चेंजेस आप खुद अपने घर से, खुद के अंदर स्टार्ट कीजिए. जिस दिन आपके अंदर चेंजेस आएगा उस दिन पूरा जमाना, पूरा नजरिया चेंज हो जाएगा. सो इसी के साथ मैं आगे बढ़ती हूँ कि कहते हैं घर गिर कर उठना ही तो असली जीत होती है. गिरकर उठना ही तो असली जीत होती है. जो मुश्किल से ना डरे वही प्रीत होती है. गिरकर उठना ही तो असली जीत होती है. जो मुश्किल से ना डरे वही प्रीत होती है. रास्ते अंधेरों से भरे हो तो क्या गम, कि रास्ते अंधेरों से भरे हो तो क्या गम, अपनी रोशनी से चहकना ही तो जीत की पहली दस्तक होती है. तो जीत की पहली दस्तक आप अपने घर की लेडीजों को देना शुरू कर दीजिए. आप खुद ब खुद देखेंगे नजारा और नजरिया सब कुछ बदल जाएगा. सो इसी के साथ अ बिग राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर द नेक्स्ट पार्टिसिपेंट. आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट टू मिस शिजा, प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज एंड डिलीवर अ ब्यूटीफुल स्पीच सो दैट वी कैन शो टू ऑल द ऑडियंस गर्ल्स आर नॉट द लेस देन एनीवन. प्लीज एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए मिस शिजा के लिए.
खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रजा क्या है. Let's begin with the name of greatest personality of this universe, who is omnipotent, omnipresent, and omniscient. Have a luminous and cause in this evening to the honorable chief guest of honor, and my preceptors, respected sir, teachers, and all the visitors who were there. The girl who's standing in front of your glamorous eyes, her name is Shiza Fatma, daughter of Mr. Sibti Hassan and Mrs. Anis Fatma, improving her knowledge in class 8. I would like to request to my preceptors, please provide me a topic.
So your name is Shiza. Wish you good evening.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
So the topic you are being given that we three find relevant. The topic is the age of machine on human land.
Wow. Thank you so much, sir, for parting with this amazing topic, the age of machines on human land. Well, the science is neither good nor bad. I repeat that science is neither good nor bad. It depends on us that how we are using that. You know what? I just want to give a very practical example that if the food is needed to you, like if you are hungry and you are taking that food, definitely it will work as energy. But if you are not hungry and you are taking food more than your diet, then it will make you sick. It will make you ill. Similarly, the science is also. Remember one thing, that science can never be wrong, but the human can. Today, we are observing the technology, the science in every field, in education, in doctor field, like in each and every field there is science. I just want to give the example that in educational field, as in ancient time when there were no resources, there were lack of information. But today, because of the technology, because of machines, because of science, we have that all the things. We have that all the facilities. Even today, we have tutors who is AI. And in doctors field, talking about, you know what, as many people say that we have a lot of diseases today. We have a lot of diseases today and we do not have anything to cure them. But remember one thing, that today, if I am speaking here, because of technology. And as before me, there were many performers who have said that the technology is bad, the technology is wrong, but let me tell you one thing, that if I'm speaking today, I can speak fluently, I can speak normally in my normal tone because of this microphone, because of this technology, because of the same machine. We cannot live on a single day without the technology. And as we are saying that, yeah, the technology is bad, and the technology, even it is said by the Elon Musk that technology is far more dangerous than you think. Let me tell you that, are you forgetting that we are the inventor of that technology? We are the inventor of that machine. We are the father of that machine, so how the machine can be more than us? You know what? That we have innovative ideas, we have innovative skills that the machine can never have. As I have said in the beginning, that the machine can never be wrong. You know why? Because we have power to feed data in machine. We have power to make that machine, and we have power to hack that machine too. There are students who are blaming to the machine that the machine is wrong and they are being the cause of
Miss
distraction.
Shita, it's your phonetic time.
Thank you so much for reminding me that there is a thinking that machines have become the cause of our distraction. Now, it depends, it's totally dependent on how are you using that thing. And as I said that we are the inventor of machine, so how can be the machine? You know what, as I just want to give the very basic example that Chandrayaan 2nd and Chandrayaan 3rd. Where in Chandrayaan 2nd, we have counted our mistake, that what was the mistake, and in Chandrayaan 3rd, we didn't repeat that. But do you really think that the Chandrayaan 2nd and 3rd can do of its own? Can your AI, as you're saying that AI is too big and AI can do everything what the peoples are doing? No. Absolutely not, because even the drawing which is sold in lakhs, in crore, this is also made by human being. The AI and those machines can never. You know, as I was saying that we can never live a single day without a machine. We have paused the day. It's just for saying that yes, the ancient time people were living that without machine. That's okay, that's all right. But it can never be today. Even if you want to spend a single day, it can never be, because machine has reshaped human land. Remember, machine has reshaped human land because today we have power, we have capability to hang between land and air. To hang between land and air, and that's
Thank you, Shiza. Your time is over now. I would
Thank you.
request to jury panel to please put up your questions.
Where do you find India after 20 years in regard to the development of technology?
That's very nice question, sir. I have found in India on the top level because talking about previous time when the people were totally unknown that what's the technology, and as it is said that the Japan, the America is on the top, but do not forget that we are also Indian. We will not be less than anyone, and from that time we have made the missile, we have launched Chandrayaan 3 which has landed on the south pole of the moon, and we have achieved a lot of technologies. Sir, mainly I just want to say that in technologies we have progressed a lot, as we have made robots, even that our freedom fighters, even the girls of our country are reaching at the top. That's the changes which I have noticed. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.